Hello YouTube family, my name is Nagat and this is my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. In today's recipe, you will need 3 large Irish potato, peel, cook, then mash it just the way I did in the video. When you're done with the mashing, rush to your kitchen cabinet, get a saucepan, then add 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Peel small onion, dice it into pieces, then add to the sunflower oil and saute till golden brown. Once your onion are golden brown, get 1 can of tuna fish, add it to the onion, then add 1/4 cup of water. Get some fresh garlic, ginger, pepper, ground it into paste, then add 1 tablespoon to the tuna. There is nothing like Maggi cubes. It gives different taste to your food. Add 2 Maggi cubes to the tuna. Mix so that the tuna gets all the ingredients. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of mixed spice of choice. Mix very well. Then add 1 teaspoon of curry powder. Then the last thing, get half capsicum, cut it into pieces, then add it. Mix. Then let it cook till all the water absorbs. Once the water absorbs, add the tuna sauce onto the mashed potato, then mix very well. Mix so that every part of the potato gets the tuna sauce. Don't forget to wipe the spoon because we don't waste food in Nigeria. Once you finish mixing, mold it just the way I did in the video into balls. You can mold it into 15 or 10 pieces according to the size you want and keep it on the plate. Once you finish with the molding, get breadcrumbs and roll it. Roll the molded potatoes. Make sure every part of the potatoes get the breadcrumbs, then keep it aside. Repeat the same process with the rest of the potatoes and keep them aside. Get 1 egg room temperature, beat it and add the potato that you mix with breadcrumbs. Mix it very well with the egg, then transfer it to breadcrumbs and mix again. Make sure you roll it very well so that every part of the potato gets the egg and gets the breadcrumbs. In a saucepan, warm some oil, then deep fry the potatoes till golden brown. Make sure the oil is very hot so that it won't make the potatoes sticky. Oops, did I burn it? Well, that will be more crunch. Yummy. Look how it is. Very delicious. You can enjoy it as a dinner. Try it out and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. Thank you. See you in